Again, Riders on Storm. Take 7. Honey, sandstorm's coming at us. Well, here we are in the middle of the desert. Semi-lost. Stuck in a storm. Take a picture. Next time we'll check the weather report. The good thing is we only got 20 miles to go on this dirt road. If the owner of the Jeep only knew what we did to his vehicle. Honey, we're losing visibility. Okay, this is not recommended. You go out for a nice sunny day in Arizona.
2 idiots out here in a sandstorm.
Since we are professional four-wheelers, we came prepared. I have my flip-flops on, so does she.
Should I post it? Oh shit.
Oh my
Should I
God.
do it again?
No.
Oh shit, yeah.
What the hell is this?
I can't see the road. Why are we out here?
Get us out of here.
Oh my God. Sandstorm, anyone? Good enough.
I can't see. I literally cannot see.
Wait for it to die down.
Where's the road? Ah, there she is.
That's funny. Just wait.
You've heard of fog. Holy cow. When's it gonna let up?
Tag you.
I can't even see the road, babe.
Where are we? Do you remember?
I don't know, but I'm trying to see the road and I can't see the road.
Where do I do that?
Okay. Not recommended, folks. Two big dummies from California. gonna follow his vehicle.
What vehicle?
Riders on the storm.